Looking for the best right-angle USB cable that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best right-angle USB cable that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Silkland right-angle USB cable. This cable is clearly designed for demanding professional workflows, combining exceptional bandwidth, high-speed charging, and broad compatibility in one premium solution. It's up to 80 gigabits per second bidirectional data transfer, makes moving huge 8K videos and 3D files remarkably efficient, while 120 gigabits per second display bandwidth supports impressive multi-monitor configurations and ultra-high refresh rates. The 240 WPD 3.1 charging capability is another major advantage, potentially replacing separate charging and connectivity cables. The 90 degrees connector is a thoughtful ergonomic touch, especially for compact desks and docking stations. Build quality also appears excellent, with aluminum housing, braided nylon, triple shielding, OFC wiring, and 5000 plus bend testing, suggesting strong durability and signal stability. Compatibility with Thunderbolt 5/4/3, USB-C, USB 3.2, and DisplayPort 2.1 adds versatility. However, maximum performance depends heavily on compatible devices, ports, displays, and chargers, so not every setup will reach the advertised limits. Overall, it is a feature-rich, future-ready cable aimed at power users willing to invest in performance and reliability. Next up is Sungai right-angle USB cable. This USB-A to USB-C cable stands out for its practical design, particularly for users with rugged phone cases, car mounts, and tight charging spaces. Its extended 7mm USB-C tip can reach through many thick cases, eliminating the hassle of removing them, while the 90-degree connector reduces cable strain and keeps the connection neatly aligned. The side exit design is especially useful in phone stands and vehicles, where straight connectors can interfere with positioning or viewing. With support for up to 18W charging and 480 megabits per second data transfer, it is well suited to everyday charging as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The braided nylon exterior, aluminum alloy construction, and pure copper wiring suggests solid durability, reinforced by 30,000 bend testing. Built-in protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuits, and overheating adds reassurance. The included 2 6-foot cables and 36-month coverage further improve value. Overall, it is a thoughtfully engineered choice for reliable, flexible, everyday connectivity. Coming in at number 3 is Anker right-angle USB cable. This 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cable combines practical ergonomics with impressive charging capability, making a strong choice for everyday and high-performance use. Its 90 degrees right-angle connector keeps the cable closer to the device, reducing awkward bending and improving comfort when charging while gaming, working, or watching content. However, compatibility is limited to phone cases up to 3mm thick, so users with bulky or rugged cases may find the connector unsuitable. Durability is another highlight, with a braided construction rated beyond 10,000 bends, suggesting it can withstand frequent daily use. The standout feature is its 240W charging support, offering substantial power for compatible laptops and mobile devices and potentially reducing charging downtime. Broad compatibility across phones, tablets, and laptops further enhances its versatility. At 6 feet, it also provides useful freedom of movement without requiring the device to remain close to the power source. Overall, it is a well-designed, durable cable that particularly suits users who value fast charging and convenient cable positioning. Now number 4, Dasku right-angle USB cable. This 10-foot USB-A to USB-C cable is designed around convenience, durability, and everyday versatility. Its 90 degrees connector is particularly useful for gaming, watching videos, or charging in bed, as it keeps the cable closer to the device and reduces stress on the connection. Supporting up to 3A charging and 480 megabits per second data transfer, it offers practical performance for phones, tablets, and other USB-C devices, while compatibility with CarPlay and Android Auto adds useful flexibility for drivers. Safety features, including protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, provide additional reassurance during charging. The braided nylon construction is a major strength, with the manufacturer claiming up to 400,000 bends, while laser-welded joints are intended to reinforce vulnerable connection points. The 10-foot length provides exceptional freedom of movement, although it may be excessive for compact setups. With 2 cables included and a 24-month replacement warranty, this is a compelling option for users seeking a long, rugged, and highly flexible charging cable. And finally, our last pick is U-Green right-angle USB cable. This U-Green USB-A to USB-C cable delivers a practical combination of ergonomic design, reliable charging, and everyday durability. Its 90-degree connector is the standout feature, making it more comfortable for gaming or watching videos while charging by keeping the cable away from your hands and reducing bending at the port. However, the connector only accommodates cases up to 2 millimeters thick, which may limit use with rugged phone cases. Supporting Quick Charge 2.0/3.0 and up to 3A output, it offers solid charging performance for compatible devices, while 480 megabits per second USB 2.0 data speeds are adequate for routine file transfers. The lack of video and monitor support is an important limitation, so users should not expect full USB-C functionality. Build quality is reassuring, with an aluminum housing and braided nylon exterior designed to resist wear, tangling, and corrosion while remaining flexible. Overall, it is a well-built, affordable choice for charging and basic data transfer, especially for users who value the convenience of a right-angle connection. So those were the top 5 best right-angle USB cable you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.